Hi everyone, this is Allison from Social Wig Co. and today we're doing a wig review. We're reviewing Rene by Follea. So Rene is Follea's most economical wig. It's their least expensive wig. And so what does that exactly mean? So step by step we're going to go through the wig. First things first, the hair. So Follea is known to have some of the best hair on the market. It's European hair and it feels absolutely amazing. This wig, Rene, actually has premium world select hair, which means it's a blend of Chinese and Indian hair. What percentage we don't know. It feels very light and smooth. It moves. It's just beautiful, beautiful hair. So the hair is dead on, of course. That's Follea is known for that, so you would expect that. Next thing is the hairline. So for me, one of the single most important factors to a wig is a hairline. How that hairline is sewn has a lot to do with how realistic it's going to be. And in my mind, or in my opinion, Follea has one of the best hairlines in the market. Okay, so this is a Swiss lace front. As you guys can see, it is a translucent color, so it's blending in perfectly with my skin tone. If you have a olive or a darker complexion, you're going to need a darker lace front. But you can see, I'll lift it up, it blends in perfectly with my skin tone. If I pull this wig back, you can see that I have not cut the lace front at all. So the lace has not been cut and I have not cut in any of the baby hairs. So anytime you pull a wig back, the perimeter is always going to look wiggy. So what we need to do is cut in the baby hairs. So if I just pull some hairs forward, you guys will get the idea of what it looks like and how different a wig can look when you cut in the baby hairs. It just hides the perimeter of the wig and it makes it look totally natural. This is also a monofilament top, a temple to temple monofilament top, which means that we can change the part in any direction that we want, but it does not have a French drawn top, which means that it doesn't look like scalp. It looks like hairs are growing from the scalp, but we don't have that French drawn top that you see from all of the other Follea wigs. So let me kind of zoom in so you guys can see what I mean. But it's just a traditional monofilament top. In addition to this, this wig is a closed wefted back cap. The wefting that Follea has is very thin, so it's not bulky at all. The amount of hair that you get with the Rene wig is more than I think you actually get with the style wig. The ponytail is quite large. Sorry, the tag is in here so you guys can see, but there's a lot of hair here. And I will say that the wefting is great. I prefer a hand-tied cap because I like to wear my hair up in a high ponytail. I like to do French braids and things like that, and you cannot do that with a wefted back because you'll be able to see the wefting. But the material for the closed wefted cap is very nice. It is a lot more comfortable than most other wefted backs that I've seen, but it is not as comfortable as the style or other wigs that Follea makes. We do have a comb in the back to keep your hair back, and we do have the bra straps as well, and then the ear tabs where you can put tape or glue. And then in the front, again, there's the monofilament top, and then a Swiss lace front. So a Swiss lace front is much more finer and delicate than a welded or a French lace. So it just feels amazing on your skin and it just seamlessly blends into your skin. The color of this Swiss lace is neutral. So if you have white, olive sort of skin tones, you can pull this off. If you have anything darker, you're going to need a darker lace front. So this is the 12-inch, which means each strand is 12 inches. But as you get to the back side of the wig, you obviously get, I think it's 17 inches overall. So the length is quite long. It goes to my chest. Obviously that varies based on how tall you are. I'm pretty petite. So I don't really need to buy the super long wigs because they would go all the way down to my belly button, basically. but it is quite long, so the 12-inch, and then this color is their cinnamon color. It's 150/40, and it's a gorgeous ginger color. It's a dark brown with a red hue to it, and it's just a golden red hue, and it's just absolutely one of the prettiest reds. Okay everyone, so this is the Rene Wig by Follea. Just to recap, this is their World Select hair. It has a monofilament top and a Swiss lace front, which you can see blends in perfectly with your skin tone. And the back is a wefted closed back, so it's very, very comfortable. And this is the cinnamon color. If you guys like this video, please click on the link below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!